Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set date and time automatically on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, many applications and services rely on accurate date and time information to function properly. So, by setting your device to update the time automatically, you ensure that these applications and services are synchronized with the correct time. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the settings menu on your device. Well, once you are in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the system and tap on it to access system-related settings. Okay, within the system menu, look for the date and time. This is where you can adjust settings related to the date and time on your device. Tap on this option to proceed. So in these settings, you will see various options for configuring how the date and time are displayed and set on your device. So, look for the options to automatically set the time and time zone. Toggle both of these options to the on position. This will allow your device to automatically synchronize its date and time with the current time and time zone based on your location. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set date and time automatically on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.